Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I look horrible right now. I recently moved to a new city, so I'm going to unpack at my new house and hopefully I will get everything done soon because it's a mess. Here's all my stuff in my new house. There's my closet. It's a mess. I'm not sure where all my hangers are, so I have to fold every single one of these clothes that are in a trash bag. And I think it's gonna take a while. Yeah, hopefully I'll get some hangers soon. I'm gonna start with this first. Okay, so all of these I am going to donate, and I just folded these. They're a little messy. Yeah, I'm gonna put these in a trash bag and then do some more other stuff.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so.
Okay, so I'm done with this, and these I'm going to donate. So yeah, I'm probably going to finish one more bag of clothes.